Next to her.
She wants my transfer underwear.
Corey, sit next to her.
Look at this. Look at this. I can make a farting noise come out of my mouth.
No. Okay. All right. Sean, stop.
Look, this is when you hear like farts. Doesn't that like
Smell? No, it doesn't.
doesn't that sound like
You're
farts?
so close. Yeah. What's the matter? Come here. No yelling. That was really pathetic. Do a really good one since you laughed hard.
I call that repeated subtraction.
Okay, now one more. Wait a minute, I want to come close to her.